Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious strawberry milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, 2 scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream, and 1/2 cup of whole milk. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. This simple combination forms the perfect base for your treat. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your strawberries, vanilla ice cream, milk, and any sugar into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender with a spatula to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Blend for about 30 seconds for the best consistency. Once your milkshake reaches that perfect, thick consistency, it's time to serve. Pour your delightful strawberry milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a fresh strawberry slice or a dollop of whipped cream. Feel free to experiment with a dash of vanilla extract or even a drizzle of chocolate syrup if you're feeling adventurous. Enjoy it immediately for the best taste. There you have it, a perfectly crafted strawberry milkshake, ready to enjoy. Remember, the key is to serve it right away to savor its creamy texture and vibrant flavor. Don't hesitate to adjust the sweetness or thickness to match your personal taste. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.